Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you decorative modern family room decor ideas and tips for decorating family-friendly living room that's stylish and comfortable. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The family room. The heart of the home, the battleground for remote controls, the haven for laughter, tears, and spilled popcorn. But let's face it, most family rooms fall somewhere between comfortable and slightly terrifying explosion of mismatched furniture. Fear not, weary design warriors. Today, we're shedding the beige blanket and unleashing the modern magic within your family room. How can I decorate my family room in modern style? First things first, let's dispel the myth that modern means cold and sterile. Modern decor is all about clean lines, intentional simplicity, and a focus on form and function. Think of it as the sartorial equivalent of a perfectly tailored suit, sharp, sophisticated, yet effortlessly comfortable. Here these the top 10 modern family room decor ideas that you can try. 1. Embrace the light, ditch the heavy drapes and let natural light flood in. Opt for light-colored walls and reflective surfaces like mirrors and glass to maximize the airy feel. 2. Sofa savvy. Invest in a statement sofa with clean lines and a neutral palette. Think modular sections for ultimate flexibility and add pops of color with throw pillows. 3. Coffee table chic. Ditch the bulky coffee table for a sleek, sculptural piece or even a stack of nesting ottomans. Less is more, and space is key. 4. Rug rhapsody. Ground the space with a modern rug that defines the living area. Choose geometric patterns, bold colors, or textured materials for visual interest. 5. Lighting layers. Banish the overhead fluorescent monster. Layer your lighting with pendant lamps, sconces, and floor lamps for a warm and inviting ambience. 6. Sculptural accents. Add personality with statement sculptures or abstract artwork. Opt for organic shapes or metallic finishes for a modern touch. 7. Storage solutions. Modern storage is a masterclass in disguise. Look for sleek cabinets, floating shelves, or ottomans with hidden compartments to tame the toy avalanche. 8. Greenery is glam. Breathe life into your space with low-maintenance houseplants like succulents, ferns, or snake plants. Nature's modern muse. 9. Textile symphony. Layer textures with throws, pillows, and rugs and mix and match materials like wool, linen, and velvet. Coziness meets modern chic. 10. Personal touches. Don't forget the soul. Display family photos, travel mementos, or anything that sparks joy and reflects your unique story. Remember, modern isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that's functional and adaptable. Declutter ruthlessly, invest in furniture that multitasks, think sleeper sofas or ottomans with storage, and prioritize open spaces for family togetherness. Beyond the essentials, consider adding pops of personality with statement lamps, sculptural coffee table books, or a gallery wall of modern art. Don't be afraid to mix textures and materials, like leather and wood, for a layered, sophisticated look. But, what if you have limited small space? Well, embrace the vertical. Utilize wall shelves, hanging plants, and floor-to-ceiling curtains to maximize every inch. Sliding glass doors open up the space, while mirrored accents create an illusion of depth. Remember, less furniture often means more living. Remember, your family room is your canvas. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and inject your own unique style. Let go of design dogma and embrace the joy of creating a space that reflects your family's heart and soul. Head over to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more modern home inspiration, design tips, and DIY projects. Let's transform your family room into a haven of style and comfort together. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of decorative modern family room decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.